Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is to create custom list for auto filling and sorting. For example, suppose we are dealing with data corresponding to the Emirates. While doing the reports, we need data regarding the different Emirates in an order. There are times when we cannot spare time to sort them manually. But if we are using the custom list option, it would be very easy. Let us take the example of the months. We shall type January in a cell and drag it down. We can see that all the months have come in an order. Likewise, if the Emirates are also coming in an order on dragging down, it would be very easy. This would save us the task of typing them each and every time we need. This method can be applied to commonly used data like employee name, rename, etc. To make them into a series, we have to create a custom list for each set of data. To create a custom list, click on the File tab. Click on Options, which is towards the bottom. Click on Advanced option. Towards the end of the window, in General category, there is an Edit Custom List button. Edit Custom List is used to make the data into a series. In the Edit Custom List window, we can see those custom lists which were created earlier. We can see different lists like weekdays, months, etc. To create a new list, select the list that was already made in our required series in a sheet and click on Import. This will add the new list to the custom list. We can see the new list on the left side. Click on Add and OK and the process is complete. Benefit of this list is that it will be available not only in one workbook, but it will be available in the whole Excel application. Now, if we type Abu Dhabi and drag it down, we can see all the 7 Emirates in an order. This can be done in the case of employee names where the number would be very large. This will save us the time of typing them each time we need and also make our work easy. This time saving option is very helpful during sorting and in pivot tables where we need them in an order. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.